If you are still highlighting text and right-clicking to copy data, you aren't a professional, you're a data entry clerk. Today, we change that. We build a Python web scraper. Manual copy-pasting is a sin against your own time. You can spend 4 hours doing it yourself, or spend 4 seconds letting Python handle it. The choice is yours. The architecture is efficient. 3 steps. We send a request to the server, we parse the HTML code, and we store the result in a spreadsheet. First, the request. We use the requests library to knock on the website's door. In 2 lines of code, we have the entire backend of the site ready for extraction. Next, we parse. We use BeautifulSoup to read the HTML. This tool allows us to find specific headers, prices, or names hidden inside the messy code. Finally, we store. By importing pandas, we take our list of findings and export it into a clean, professional CSV file, from messy web to perfect spreadsheet. To recap, 1. Request the cage. 2. Parse the elements. 3. Export to CSV. You are now an architect of data. In our next lesson, we'll show you how to clean this messy data for professional analytics. For more info and to get today's tools, read our docs and grab the checklist in the description below. If you like this video, do like and subscribe for future updates. See this next video's best for you, YouTube suggested.